You might notice that artificial intelligence, AI, is everywhere these days, changing how we work, communicate, and even think. As technology advances at lightning speed, many jobs are evolving and some tasks are becoming automated. It's easy to wonder what this means for the future of work and the skills that truly matter. Despite all these advancements, there are some abilities that no machine can replicate. These are the talents rooted in human connection, creativity, and judgment, qualities that make us unique. In this video, we'll take a look at 23 essential skills that will stand the test of time, even as AI continues to rise. Each skill showcases the human qualities that machines simply can't replicate. Which skills do you think will be most important in the future? Did we leave out any essential skills? Let us know in the comments. But before we go any further, yes, this is an AI voice, but a real person wrote this. I earned my financial freedom, and I'm not doing this for money. I don't like narrating videos, so I use an AI voice. Ignore that the voice is AI. The video is worth it. Check out the full details by visiting the link in the description. Number 1. Emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence is all about understanding and managing emotions, both your own and those of others. It involves recognizing feelings, showing empathy, and building meaningful relationships. This skill is essential for resolving conflicts, motivating teams, and fostering trust in any setting. While AI can analyze data, it cannot interpret facial expressions, tone of voice, or body language in the same way humans can. Emotional intelligence creates connections that are deeply human and irreplaceable. Number 2. Critical thinking and problem solving. Critical thinking is about analyzing situations, weighing options, and making sound decisions. It's a skill that shines when facing challenges with no clear solutions. Problem solving requires creativity and adaptability, qualities that go beyond what algorithms can achieve. Machines might process information quickly, but they lack the ability to consider context, nuance, or unpredictable factors. Humans bring judgment and insight that make critical thinking invaluable in both personal and professional settings. Number 3. Creativity and original thought. Creativity is the spark that leads to new ideas, innovative solutions, and original works of art. It thrives on imagination, personal experiences, and the ability to think in ways that challenge the ordinary. While AI can mimic styles or generate content based on patterns, it cannot create something truly unique. Humans have the power to invent, inspire, and transform the world through creativity, making it a timeless skill. Number 4. Ethical and moral judgment. Ethical judgment involves making decisions based on values, principles, and the greater good. This skill is crucial in areas like medicine, law, and leadership, where choices can have significant consequences. AI might provide data or suggestions, but it cannot understand the moral weight of a decision or consider the human impact. People bring compassion, fairness, and a sense of responsibility that guide ethical reasoning in ways no machine ever could. Number 5. Teaching and mentoring. Teaching is more than sharing knowledge. It's about connecting with others, understanding their needs, and inspiring growth. Mentors and educators provide guidance, encouragement, and a personal touch that technology cannot replace. While AI tools can assist in learning, they cannot adapt to every student's unique challenges or celebrate their successes. Teaching is a human-driven process that shapes minds and builds confidence for a lifetime. Number 6. Relationship building. Building strong relationships takes time, effort, and genuine understanding. It's about creating trust, showing empathy, and forming connections that go deeper than surface-level interactions. This skill is vital in areas like leadership, sales, and community development. Machines can help facilitate communication, but they cannot replicate the warmth and intuition that define human relationships. The ability to connect meaningfully is a cornerstone of human experience. Number 7. Hands-on craftsmanship. Craftsmanship is the art of creating with skill, precision, and care. Be it woodworking, tailoring, or sculpting, it embodies a human touch that machines cannot replicate. Each piece tells a story, showcasing the effort and creativity of its maker. While technology can facilitate mass production, it fails to capture the authenticity and uniqueness inherent in handmade work. Craftsmanship preserves the human spirit in every creation. Number 8. Parenting and caregiving. Parenting and caregiving are rooted in love, patience, and emotional understanding. These roles go beyond completing tasks to include offering comfort, guidance, and support. Caregivers provide a sense of security and connection that no machine can replace. While technology might assist with monitoring or reminders, it cannot offer the warmth or compassion of human interaction. Parenting and caregiving remain some of the most important roles in fostering emotional well-being. Number 9. Public speaking and persuasion. Public speaking is the art of delivering messages that inspire, inform, or motivate others. It requires confidence, emotional awareness, and the ability to connect with an audience. Great speakers adjust their delivery in real time, responding to the energy and reactions of their listeners. AI can generate content or assist in preparation, but it cannot replicate the human ability to inspire action through words. Public speaking remains a skill that moves people and drives change. Number 10. Humor and wit. Humor is a uniquely human way of finding joy, breaking tension, and connecting with others. It relies on timing, cultural awareness, and the ability to read a room. Comedians and storytellers use humor to entertain, build rapport, and create shared experiences. While AI can mimic jokes, it doesn't truly understand the nuances or context behind them. Humor is a powerful tool that strengthens relationships and adds lightness to life. Number 11. Adaptability in new situations. Adaptability is the ability to adjust to new circumstances with ease and confidence. This skill shines in a world that's constantly changing, be it navigating a career shift or facing unexpected challenges. Humans can think on their feet, reassess priorities, and find creative ways to move forward. Machines might execute tasks efficiently, but they lack the flexibility to adjust to the unknown. Adaptability ensures that people can thrive in any situation. Number 12. Conflict resolution. Resolving conflict involves listening, understanding different perspectives, and finding solutions that work for everyone involved. It's a skill that requires empathy, patience, and strong communication. AI might offer suggestions, but it cannot navigate the emotions or subtleties of human disagreements. People excel in finding common ground and restoring harmony, making conflict resolution a vital skill in both personal and professional relationships. Number 13. Leadership and vision. Leadership is the ability to inspire, guide, and motivate others toward a common goal. It requires emotional insight, decision-making, and the ability to build trust within a team. Leaders bring vision and purpose, balancing strategy with a deep understanding of people's needs and strengths. While AI can analyze trends or suggest actions, it cannot foster the sense of unity or shared purpose that great leaders create. Leadership remains a uniquely human strength that drives progress and innovation. Number 14. Storytelling and narrative building. Storytelling is the art of conveying ideas, emotions, and experiences through compelling narratives. It helps people connect, understand complex topics, and remember key messages. Stories resonate because they tap into human emotions and shared experiences in a way that facts alone cannot achieve. While AI can generate text, it cannot craft a story with the same depth, creativity, or emotional resonance. Storytelling will always play a central role in culture, communication, and education. Number 15. Negotiation skills. Negotiation requires understanding perspectives, building trust, and finding solutions that benefit everyone involved. It's about balancing assertiveness with empathy to reach agreements in challenging situations. Machines might provide data or strategies, but they cannot read emotions or adjust approaches in real time. Successful negotiators rely on personal connections and emotional intelligence to achieve outcomes. Negotiation is a human-centered skill that builds relationships and resolves disputes. Number 16. Artistic expression. Artistic expression is a form of creativity that reflects emotions, culture, and individuality. Through painting, music, writing, and other mediums, artists convey ideas and beauty in ways that machines cannot replicate. While AI can produce art-like creations, it lacks the intentionality and personal connection of human-made works. Artistic expression gives voice to feelings, inspires change, and preserves the essence of human experience across generations. Number 17. Empathy and compassion. Empathy is the ability to understand and share another person's feelings, while compassion involves taking action to help. These qualities build stronger relationships and create a sense of community in both personal and professional settings. Machines cannot truly feel or respond to emotions, no matter how advanced they become. Empathy and compassion foster a deeper level of care and understanding that is essential for human connection. Number 18. Risk assessment and judgment. Risk assessment involves evaluating potential outcomes and making decisions that balance opportunity with caution. It requires judgment, experience, and the ability to think critically in uncertain situations. While AI can calculate probabilities or simulate scenarios, it cannot weigh intangible factors or moral considerations. Human intuition and experience make risk assessment an essential skill in navigating complex decisions. Number 19. Cultural understanding and sensitivity. Cultural understanding is about recognizing and respecting the beliefs, traditions, and values of others. It helps bridge differences, build connections, and promote collaboration in diverse environments. Machines can process cultural data, but they lack the ability to fully grasp the context or depth of human traditions. Cultural sensitivity requires empathy, awareness, and a willingness to learn, making it an invaluable skill in a globalized world. Number 20. Physical dexterity and coordination. Physical dexterity involves precise movements, coordination, and hands-on abilities that no machine can fully replicate. Tasks like surgery, performing arts, and athletic activities require a combination of skill, practice, and adaptability. While robots can assist in certain tasks, they cannot match the grace or intuition of human movement. Physical dexterity highlights the unique capabilities of the human body in both work and play. Number 21. Environmental awareness and stewardship. Caring for the environment involves understanding its complexities and acting responsibly to protect it. This skill combines knowledge, ethical reasoning, and a deep connection to nature that machines cannot possess. While AI can assist in monitoring environmental data, it takes human commitment to advocate for change and lead conservation efforts. Environmental stewardship relies on our collective efforts to preserve the planet for future generations. Number 22. Hospitality and human interaction. Hospitality is about creating welcoming environments and making others feel valued. It goes beyond service to include personal touches, warmth, and genuine care for people's needs. Machines can automate processes, but they cannot replicate the sincerity of a smile or the comfort of a thoughtful gesture. Human interaction is the heart of hospitality, making it a timeless skill in both personal and professional settings. Number 23. Visionary thinking. Visionary thinking involves imagining possibilities, setting bold goals, and inspiring others to achieve them. It requires creativity, determination, and the ability to see beyond the present moment. AI might analyze trends or predict outcomes, but it cannot envision a future shaped by human values and aspirations. Visionary thinkers drive progress by pushing boundaries and inspiring innovation. In a world where technology evolves rapidly, the unique qualities humans bring to the table remain irreplaceable. Skills rooted in empathy, creativity, and emotional intelligence will always stand apart, shaping the way we connect and innovate. These abilities go beyond data or algorithms, influencing how we lead, inspire, and build communities. While AI may enhance certain processes, it cannot replicate the heart and intuition behind human actions. Embracing and nurturing these essential skills ensures that humanity remains at the center of progress. The future may change, but the value of these timeless abilities will never fade. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Also, don't forget the link in the description.